The recording of this race is sponsored by JB Transmission. Specializing in foreign and domestic repairs, trust JB for all your performance needs. Check us out at www.jbtransmission.com or visit us at 256 St. Mary's Road in Winnipeg. This video production is sponsored by RD Sales and Service Limited. We service what others sell. For all mechanical repairs, trust our professionals. RD Sales and Service is a proud sponsor of the number 17 Super Truck and Sprint Car.
Bathrooms, number 1 of Derek Pollock. To his outside, it's the 92 of Cord Allard. Inside row 4, it's Lee McCrae in the truck number 17. Outside of him in the 2 is Jamie Vernaus. And on row 5, it's Tyson Hebert in the 51 and Dustin Enns in the 18. 15 laps to go. Oh, I see we got tow truck repairs going on in the infield. We got the lights flashing. Now, if we could just get it moving. All right, lined up and ready to race. The official pace truck at Red River Co-op Speedway is the Dodge Ram. Available at Winnipeg Dodge. All righty. 15 laps on the Pepsi board. Murray Cozy on the pole in the Murray Cozy Trucking number 55. And we're about ready to go green for Dynasty Bathrooms. Murray Cozy in the 55 will bring him to the green. And we're racing for Dynasty Bathrooms. Oh, look out. We got a pile up in turn 3 and 4. Is that the, all right. 25 is Jerome Guillot coming over to talk with Russ Smith, front straightaway official. No one's claimed that iPod yet? You got to be kidding. Oh, I'm getting close to having an iPod. Now all I got to do is figure out how to work it. Will you show me how to work it?
I was going to say it doesn't come with an instruction manual.
Oh, I may as well leave it here then.
Hey, listen, in addition to that iPod that we still have up here, somebody has lost a pair of Oakley sunglasses. So if you happen to see them, well, we'd appreciate you bringing them back up to the tower. We know who the owner is.
You know, the little guy that brought that iPod up here is a pretty nice kid. The kid looked to be 10 or 12 years old. So many kids would have put that in their pocket and never said boo about it, and I wanted to thank that young fellow for bringing it up here. Even if the owner doesn't want it, I'm going to enjoy it. So thank you very much for bringing that iPod up here. Big, who? Big Mama? Something to do with that iPod?
Something like that. Her daddy.
Oh.
I think. Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, then that's mine for sure.
Big Daddy.
All righty, well, we're about ready to go back to racing. 12 minutes on the clock, 14 laps on the Pepsi board. I want to say thank you to Dynasty Bathrooms tonight for presenting tonight's program. This is our second last class, Darren. Lightning sprints after this, and then we can call it a night. Green flag. Three wide heading into turn one. What great racing in our truck division. Oh, we're stacking them up in turn four. Jim Hunter almost gets a Q8 truck service number 44 up into the wall. Derek Pollock in the Dynasty Bathrooms number 1 is your leader, but Lee McRae, the R&D sales number 17, has got the wick up and he's looking to get up there. There is a little traction down on the bottom if you can hit the strip just right. The race is for second place. The 17 of Lee McRae. Now Gio in the yellow 25 gets alongside in turn 4, but is unable to make the pass stick. Whoa! Wayne Grosky clips a tractor tire down on the bottom of the racetrack, somehow gathers it up and keeps moving. The GW transmission 0-4. Here's the race for first place at a turn 4 now. Look at them go at it. The number 1, Dynasty Bathrooms, number 1 of Derek Pollock, is under attack right now. Lee McRae in the 17, sponsored by R&D Sales, is looking to take the lead over as they battle it out, heading around this 4/10 of a mile oval. Pollock on the high side doing a beautiful job up there. McRae on the bottom where there appears to be less traction. The 25 of Gio is third. Another Dynasty Bathrooms truck at fourth. Oh, wake up, Jack. Hey, who got the Skittles? Oh, do you like Skittles now? Oh, I liked it better earlier in the year when you didn't like Skittles. Then you used to give me one or two. While the push truck over in turn 2, what's happening over there? Debris over there? There's something. Okay, one of the girls just explained it to me. We have something over on the track. That narrows it down. Thanks, Aaron. We got it figured. A bar. See, now as soon as you say bar, you think beer. I'm thinking car parts. 7 to go. We are lined up. Are we lined up? I'm assuming we're lined up. We are lined up. We're ready to go. Whole bunch of heads nodding. It must be time to race. Okay, now we're ready to go. Derek Pollock, the MacDon Industries, Dynasty Bathrooms number 1 is the restart leader. The 17 R&D sales sponsored truck of Lee McRae is second, so he chooses the inside. That leaves Gio in the yellow 25 to the outside. Fourth place, another Dynasty Bathrooms truck. This obviously will bunch them up, and this should make a good final 7 for Dynasty Bathrooms tonight. Here we go to green. What a race. Look at the front five here. Oh boy, Derek Pollock's on the bubble. They are 3 wide in turn 4. What a great race in our Super Truck division. What a great race. Look at the top 5. The 18 falls off just a little bit. Well, a whole bunch. He goes from 4th to the back of the pack. Look at this. The top 4 setting quite a pace here. New leader, the 17 of Lee McRae, pulls to the point. And now this time by, with 4 to go, he looks to put some distance between he and the second place number 1 of Derek Pollock. Jamie Bernaus puts the Dynasty Bathrooms number 2 down on the bottom of the racetrack to take a run at Jerome Guillot in the yellow and red 25. That doesn't work. Lee McRae in the 17. He started in the 7th starting spot. And he is your current leader. White flag for your leader, Lee McRae. The R&D Sales, number 17. On the final, look at the race for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. Wow, here's your winner, Lee McRae, but look at this. Wow. The 25 of Jerome Guillot grabs 2nd. 3rd, I believe, goes to the 92 of Cord Allard. 4th, no, he's down a lap. Okay, so Jamie Bernaus is 3rd in the 2, and 4th will go to... How did I miss a truck here? Oh, that's where I went wrong. Derek Pollock is 3rd, Jamie Bernaus is 4th, Jim Hunter is 5th. Your winner, Lee McRae, in the R&D Sales number